Poo-poo, that's cute.
Hi, I'm Maxine.
What's up, Maxine?
I'm Kathy, and I like to party.
Good to know.
Word, homie.
I'm just here for general studies for
Hey,
now.
you girls want to check out my new boob job?
Hey, you better get out of here. Don't you know my daughter's a minor? Get out of here or I'll call the police. Okay, I had enough. You've run into trouble, man.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to the presence of an attorney. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed by the court. Do you understand the rights I have just read to you?
Congratulations, you just passed the test to be affiliated with the smartest community on Earth called Originals Never Fit. Please enjoy the experience of the real world without borders.